Giraffe Stage 2. How's he getting on? Hey, it's Pam Duthie and I'm here to help you craft your career with creative marketing and artistic inspiration. And it's a Thursday, so it's another needle felting tutorial. If you haven't already seen my stage 1 of making the giraffe, the armature and starting to wrap it, that'll be in the cards above. And now we're on to week 2, stage 2 with this guy. Remember from stage 1 that this is for a World of Warcraft type giraffe rather than an actual realistic looking giraffe. And let's have a look at what I've done so far. So from last week, what we worked on is building up the muscles and the belly, padding out his shoulder a bit more, getting his body shape more like what I want it to be, and then covering it in this lovely coffee tan colour, which actually looks a lot more patchy on camera than it does in real life, but I might have to cover that again and fill in some more of the bits where you can see the white coming through. You can tell the bits I'm leaving till last here. No rhyme or reason really to what you do first. Often I'll do the heads first so I get an idea if the piece is going to work out well, but I'm chickening out doing the head just now, so no detail on the head yet, and obviously chickening out on doing the spots. That's going to take a while, but that will just finish him off. Also, we added a nice thin tail. Also, I began working on his hooves. What I saw was, with the giraffes, rather like horses, the wrist comes forwards a little before you get into his feet. So we worked on that. Put black on his hooves and sloping up the way so it's narrower at the bottom than it is on the top. I noticed in some of the pictures that the giraffes have cloven hooves, so we worked on felting a line down the middle to cleave his hooves. So yeah, this is where we're up to so far. What I've been actually surprised by is how well he stands up. I really thought this was going to be a problem, but he's got really great balance. He is too big to actually go in frame. Let's put him some way over here. He stands up and balances exceptionally well. I thought this was going to be a problem, and although the thick wire was a pig to work with at the start, it's really given the structure stability to be able to have these skinny wee legs that are really nice and strong. Things to watch out for though is if you bend the wire or kink it in any way, it can be a bit of a pain to get it back smooth again, and you don't want bendy legs. That's not going to look good. For the shaping on his belly, excuse me, very undignified. For the shaping on his belly, I worked on making a hump for his belly, and then there's a little, it dips in a bit and then it comes out for his chest a little bit, because that's how these animals tend to be. You could include tails when you're making the armature, but I prefer to add them on separately. It means I can do any fine tuning if I want the length of the body changed by rotating the back a little bit, or also padding out the bum. So I prefer to leave tails to the end. That gives me time to do a little bit of fine tuning. But I hope you like how he's coming on so far. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope that was helpful. And if you're felting along with me making your own giraffe, I would love to see him. So don't forget, come along to Pam's Felting Friends in the Facebook group, in the links in the description below, and let me see your work. Don't forget, click on my wee face to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, check out the playlist of the rest of the giraffes, and I'll see you next Thursday. Thank you so much.